guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝐂𝐿𝐃 for those who don't know. So today we're back with another crochet hair install, and for this install QVR sent me their Small Kinky Curly in the color 1B30, and this is human hair. As you can see, it definitely has that like hair smell to it. You just really need to like wash it out or put some type of moisturizer in it, but the color is so pretty. I love the transition. It's not like a sharp change, it's a smooth one, but we love it here. That's what we're about to install now and see what it's giving. I have 5 packs of them, and I think 5 packs is like perfect for a full head. Really depends how full you want the hair to be, but 5 is definitely like a good number of what you need. The great thing about their crochet hair too is the invisible middle right here. As you can see, it's like a little thread connecting the hair together, and this basically will help it like sit more seamless on your scalp without having that huge knot on top of your head, because that's never cute. But I love that they're doing this now because it really just helps everything blend in better, and which is also useful if you're like leaving hair out. I'm not leaving hair out for this install because I don't have no hair to leave out, but if you do, this is perfect for that because it will literally sit so flat on your head. So the thing about this being like with the invisible part is they have this knots right here, and sometimes that can get caught in your hair. So I usually like to pull it through where the hair actually is because I find that helpful. We've already set the base. I cornrowed my hair. This is the braiding pattern, nothing too crazy. My hair is super short. It's literally the length of my edges. So to reduce the tension on the front, I think this anchor braid right here is very helpful, so it's not like pulling back. And then I just have these 2 connected from my middle part, and the rest is just going back. My hair is not long enough, so I just left those long. But that's the braiding pattern we're using today. You just do your regular crochet method, pull it through, and I usually like to like just use the latch hook to pull the hair right through the loop. See how flat that sits on your head? I'm gonna get as close to the front as I can. Again, you want to be really gentle with this because you don't want it like getting caught on your hair. You still want to make sure you're protecting your hair. And we just basically keep going doing this the rest of the way. You decide the type of spacing you want as well. Also depends how full you want it. But you see how flat that's already sitting on my head? There's no knots whatsoever. That's because of the invisible part. And that's gonna help the hair just like sit even better. So I'll be back once we're done installing this front part. All done with the front. Oh, this looks so cute. I love the length of it, and I love that I left my edges alone because we can still push it back for a little something like this. Oh, I can't wait to finish. So I just did the middle part and the anchor braid in the front on both sides, and now I'm going to do the rest of the hair, but I can't wait to see the finished look. We're officially halfway through, and it's looking so good. I love the color. I love the feel of it. It's so soft, by the way. I'm still only on my 2nd pack, which is insane. I think I'm definitely going to maybe fill out the back a little bit more. We'll see once I'm done, because I wanted to give a natural feel to it, which I feel like it kind of does right now. This is exactly like halfway through. So I've done up to here, and I need to do this side, and we'll be done. We're all done. This is too cute, actually. This is what the back is giving. I used almost 4 packs. This is what's left of the 4th pack, so I still have 1 full pack left. But this is the fullness it's giving. I think this is the right amount of hair. I don't want it too much where it's now like unnatural and uncomfortable. So right now I'm just putting my fingers through it to add a little bit more volume to the hair, because that's where this hair really thrives, is when you separate it, it fills up so much and so nicely. It's so lightweight too, and my favorite thing right now, when I put it back in a ponytail, see how flat that is? It's so flat, and the ponytail is like really cute. I did my edges a little bit, so like at least that's there. But this hair is giving me everything. I think it's truly the color that's doing it for me right now. So we're gonna do some little styles with it just to see how we want to wear this. I did try this way because I have a part right here from how I braided the hair. So I can do a side part just like that on this side, and then I can do on this side as well. So that's why your braiding pattern is important sometimes, because it determines literally like how you can part your hair. I think I want to grab a claw clip just to see like what I want to do with it, but basically we're gonna have it down most of the time because we're officially done with the hair. I put in this little updo and it's so cute, perfect for the summer. No, I really love this hair so much. I think like the curl pattern, the color, everything is just going together so well, and I absolutely love it. Again, my hair is like so short back here, there's like no hair there, but honestly the back of my head is not my business, but the front looks so cute. Do a little cute updo like this is perfect. And then if I want to put it down, we can do that as well and part it in so many different ways. I am absolutely in love with this hair. It's so cute. Anywho, that is it. I will leave the link in the description box below. And this hair is just giving everything that it needs to give. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe while you're here. Let me know what you think. Are you a color girl? Like, do you like to add a little extra pizzazz? Especially now like the fall is coming. This is perfect for the fall. Like, I'm a fall girly. I love the fall, I love autumn, everything. So this is perfect as we go into that season, and I'm just loving everything about it. So let me know what you think, and I'll see you
taking a ride to Jonathan. 눈치 보면서 들어가야 할 때 찾아. 나머진 바빠. 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들. 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히